Good afternoon. Hi, I'm John.
I'm Whitney. I'm Brooke.
And we're from That was really cool.
Yeah, right.
And we're from Intelligent Concrete. So we're doing a whole bunch of mixes today. We can't really tell you who we're doing these mixes for. Some of them are comparing different raw materials to do a price reduction without sacrificing fresh and hardened properties. And those are going to be flipping.
Awesome. Yep.
And then we're also doing some temperature controlled mixes.
Right.
Where we're driving up the temperature to
70 to 80 Fahrenheit,
No.
right? Or is it going to be 80 to 80?
It's going to be 85.
Okay.
It's going to be 85. Yeah, we overshot it. We have to do a 71 to 80, then an 81 to 90, and we overshot the temperature just a little, which
A little more.
theoretically we could bring it back with cold water, but it's going to be a crapshoot.
Did you open up the ovens to try to get it cooled off?
No, that's a crapshoot. We're going to bring it down tomorrow and go that direction. So anyway, we're going to be running a whole bunch of mixes. I think we're talking about it next week. I don't really know.
Yes, love it.
Yes, love it.
We'll do it.
We're talking about them next week. So, or at least what we do to run projects like this. Like we have a high range water reducer project coming up
Yep.
that Brooke and I are going to be doing. Where, do you remember that one?
No.
You don't?
Uh-uh.
It's so cool. So we're going to look at one high range water reducer at 3 different dosages at 3 different water cement ratios and compare the design slump versus the actual slump to see when we get segregation with the dosages and the... So awesome. So anyway, are we done?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks for joining.
Have a good one. Bye.
We'll talk to you later.